Yes, good morning, everyone. Sir, in the last class, how to implemented browsable APIs by using the third-party tools. So in the last class, we installed the Django REST framework. I created a application with REST class 1. Inside, we have the three topics are there: serialization, deserialization, and validations. First one, what is the meaning of the serialization? Serialization means, first of all, we are getting some data from the database that is called as one instance, model instance, or if I want to read all the data, query set. This complex data type, we have to convert it to Python native data type dictionary is called as a serialization concept. One object, another object we are converting, that process is nothing but serialization. And we created one model class and serializers.py class. Serializer class I can provided inside you have to take number, name, salary, address. I reached an admin panel. So serialization, how we are doing, go to the Python shell. We are importing the employee serializer. We are taking an employee. This is instance. Just you have to pass object to employee serializer class. The parent class will take care about everything. The parent class is, this is the class. So automatically your employee instance will become as a one Python dictionary. This Python dictionary I want to convert it to JSON data. For that I'm importing one class, JSON renderer class. In this there is a method is there, render method. Then automatically this dictionary will be converted to JSON data. Next, how to perform the serialization? Multiple objects. Take all objects, pass it to employee serializer, many equal to true. Automatically, we are getting this object. Next, deserialization. Reverse process. We are converting Python dicted data type to the database supported format that is called as model instance. That is called as deserialization concept. Online guys, am I audible? Yes. So that is called as serialization and deserialization. A simple example I can provide it there. Now, go to the D drive, CD, REST framework, CD, with REST, class 1, PY, manage.py, run the server. Once server is started, take the IP address, go to the admin panel because there is no URLs, only admin is there. Employee, I employed 3 employees are there. Radhika, Lily, and Tillu. 3 employees are available there. Now, I want to read this data. So I have to provide a partner application test.py. I want to create one partner application. This is our project folder with REST C1. Yeah. If you want to create partner application means in this project, create one file, Python file. Go to new, take a new file, sir. Python file. Any name you can give. My Python file is test.py. So in this test.py, I have to write my Python code. It's not responding. Test.py. Sir, here you have to write, take a normal Python function. This is the test.py code. First base URL. This is the base URL address, sir. After that, I can implemented the API is the endpoint. Get resource ID equal to none, because if I'm calling directly, by default ID will become none. If I'm passing any value, then 3 will be passing into here. Then this data will be forwarded JSON data. Same code previous example written, same only test.py code is the same. Okay. So this is not required. Only you have to write views.py, because previously you written same code. Partner application code is same only. Import request module, JSON module, base URL, endpoint. This is my function. ID, none value na based on your calling, it will be decided. If you are not passing anything, ID will become none. If you are passing, that value will be passing here, created, forwarded. This is common, not required. You will write only views.py file code. Sir, now, in this views.py, go to the views test app, views.py. I have to implement a class, employee, CRUD, CBV, class based view. In this one, the parent class is view from Django dot views Django dot views dot, what is the module name? Generic. What is the class name? View. This is the parent class inherited to our class. Now the method, what is the method we have to override? Get method. Akkada get method I am calling. Yes, get method. First argument self, second argument request, third argument args, fourth argument, these two are optional. So now get method is there, self request single quotes argument. Okay, I want to read the data from the partner application. Partner application forwarded one JSON data. That JSON data should be this one. In that, ID may be available or maybe none is available there. How to read the partner application data? Request dot body. Then you can store it into which data it is, a JSON data. Previous examples, once I'm getting JSON data, first we have to validate it. Use JSON method, utils.py. If it is valid JSON na kada, if it is not valid JSON, all the things are there, but present not required. Just we have to JSON data to we have to convert to Python dictionary. After that, Python dictionary. Okay, how to convert Python dictionary? Yesterday last example. First, there is one module is there, IO module. Idugondi. IO.bytes IO JSON data. Stream. This is stream passing to JSON parser. Then it is converted to Python dictionary. Same process. Yeah. So now IO come to here import the module name is IO module. Okay. IO dot what is the class name? Bytes IO. Inside you have to pass the argument is JSON data. It is converted to one argument I'm given stream. This one you have to give to JSON parser. But JSON parser is available from what is the framework? REST underscore framework dot what is the module name? Parsers import JSON parser. Now JSON parser dot what is the method? Parse. Inside you can pass that stream stored into variable. What it is? Python data. Because once partner application provided JSON data, which one? This one. JSON data, you have two options. Either one is empty dictionary or else second one with ID. You can ask within the dictionary, data is available, not available. How to get that? It is a dictionary. Now, Python data dot in the dictionary there is a command is there. What is the command? Get command. Inside you can ask about your ID. If ID is available, okay. If ID is not there, you can store the default value, none value stored into I. Because by mistake, if I'm not passing anything, so which data I'm passing? This one. What it is? Empty dictionary. In the dictionary, no keys, nothing. But you are asking if the get command it is not available. Default value. What is the value I'm storing? None will be stored into ID. Now, suppose if ID is there, your partner application passing ID, yeah, 3 ID. Now, if ID is not none, then what to do? Get the data. What is the class name? Employee. Ledu. So, from testapp dot models import. What is the class name? Employee. Now, employee dot objects dot get of ID equal to ID you can pass. Then one instance we are getting it. What is the instance? Current employee object. Once object is available there, this object what to do? Send it to serializers class because this is the complex data type. This data type I want to convert it to Python dictionary. So you won't do anything. You have to implement one class in the serializers. What is the class name? Employee serializer. This person will take care. So import statement is required. From testapp dot serializers import. What is the class name? Employee serializer. Create object for that. Employee serializer. Pass your employee. What is in instance name? EMP. Then it is serializer. This is serializer. I want to convert it to JSON data. How to convert to JSON data? There is one more class is there. JSON renderer from REST underscore framework dot renderers import JSON renderer. In this class, JSON renderer, what is the method? Render method. Inside you can pass serializer dot, what is the variable? What is the variable? Data. So this data will be converted to JSON data. Once JSON data is ready, return the response. Return HTTP response. It is not there. Go to the from Django dot HTTP import HTTP response. Return HTTP response. Instead, you have to pass what is the data? JSON data, comma, content type. What is the content type? Application by JSON. So, this total code will be executed if ID is not none. When cursor will come to line number 22, suppose if ID is none, then this total code is not executed. Then you have to take all records. So come to the line number 21 here. How to take all employees? Employee dot objects dot all. This is a one query set and all records. This query set you can pass it as a object to employee serializer query set, comma, many equal to true. Now it is the serializer. All objects are converted to dictionaries. Convert this one, return application JSON, the views code. So here, first I'm reading data from partner application, by converted to the stream, I'm given to JSON, Python dictionary. From there, I'm taking ID. If ID is not none, take a single record, serializer object, converted to JSON, return to end user. So ID is none, take all records, converted, completed code. For this, endpoint is not there, main. Go to the URLs, declare one endpoint. API is my endpoint. Use dot employee courtesy bit dot as underscore view. Now from test app import views. Everything goes fine. ఎక్కడో పోయింది comma. Now see the server. Server is started. Take one more command prompt to run the partner application. Go to the working directory C, REST framework, CD with REST class 1 py test.py. Third record employee number, this one, because in the partner application I am given the third one. If I'm given one, first record we are getting it. If I'm not given anything, all records. First one, second one, third one, all we are getting it. Previously I'm written very number of lines of code. When compared with the previous your program, now only simple steps. Yesterday class, whatever we did in the previous class, is these steps only. I'm reading one employee object. This employee object passing to serializer. After that, converted to JSON data. Same 3 steps only we are doing. Reading the data, converting the Python dictionary. If ID is not none, this is. If ID is no, then all the records. The story. So when compared with the previous code, now this code is some less number of lines of the code. Byte is a one class available in IO module. Input output stream, some streamline converted data. That data converted to Python dictionary because here JSON parser, parse function accepted. Do you know input output streams are there? The bytes streaming data will be passing as argument to this, then only it is converted to Python dictionary. Direct JSON to dictionary, no, in this process REST framework. And if it is normal thing is there, in JSON module, you can use the loads. Then it is converted directly. But I'm not using JSON module, no? That's why these three steps are required. ఏం అర్థం కాకపోతే చూడదు. వీటి పేరు ఎలా పెట్టాడు క్యాండిడేట్? మహేష్ సారు, లిల్లీ అండ్ రాధిక అంట. If I am not given any number, no problem, then all records. Because see, if I am not given any value, default argument I provided na ID equal to none, then ID will consider none only. No issues. Then all records. If I am passing ID, not passing all records. That's why I am checking the condition line number 32. If ID is not none, take that single record. If you're not passing ID, this code not executed. That's why I mentioned the line number 37 will be executed. Employee.objects.all records we are getting. Yesterday I'm telling now, this is the employee serializer is a one class. For that class I am passing instance. Where you are executed this command, you are executing Python shell. Don't execute Python shell. You have to execute in pymanage.py shell. Python shell is the different. That pymanage.py is the different. That is the problem. This JSON data converted the stream. That stream will be converted to Python dictionary. If it is Python dictionary, then only get command is executed. I'm converting to Python dictionary, JSON to. Then I'm asking get ID. ID is available, not available. If ID is there, corresponding value. If ID is not there, none will be stored. This P data both are same. What it is? Python dictionary. So I am converting JSON data sent by partner application. It is converted to Python dictionary. From there, I'm applying get command. Then my ID is none value na. If ID is not none, this block executed. If ID is none, this block will be executed there. P data means Python dictionary. In the last class, I am given now an example here. 1 minute. Okay, done. Py manage.py shell. Then you can check it. Your serializers, those things. Or else you can contact online mentors. This is employee is the database object. This employee object I'm given to serializer class. Automatically it is converted to dictionary. This dictionary data I am reading given to built-in JSON renderer, it is converted to JSON data. Deserialization. That is the meaning of line number 35. Serialization concept, not deserialization, sorry. Employee to Python dictionary, dictionary to JSON. Serialization. API views dot employee courtesy BV dot as underscore view. Next method, post method. Completed. If you want to insert any record to the database, we have to override create method inside serializer class. You have to override the method. What is the method name? Create method you have to override into your serializer class. That is, go to the serializers.py, create the method def, create predefined method function. Now, inside first argument is self, comma. There is one variable is there, validated underscore data. Somewhere else in the last class, we are using this variable. Once I taken data serializer, the variable name is serializer dot data at the time of serialization. Deserialization time, I'm asking the data serializer dot, what is the data? Validated data, because this data should be, which type of data? It is a database supported complex type, because first time taking the data, I converted to Python dictionary. This Python dictionary I'm given to employee serializer. Now, is it a validated data? This validated data is nothing but database supported complex type. Then only data should be inserted. So, in the create method, self is the common which is pointing to current class object, validated data. Now, I have to return the value. What is your class name? Employee, but not there here. So, from test app dot models import, what is the class name? Employee. Now, employee dot objects dot, the method is, what is the method? Create method. Objects dot get one record, objects dot create. Somewhere else in populate.py file, we are using model name dot objects dot get or create method. But here direct create method is there, create. What is the meaning of star star? Within the function, if I'm using double star meant for keyword arguments. So whatever data you were provided, key value pairs should be added to your employee. Because from your test.py, you are passing key value pairs. Take the old test.py file. ఇదిగోండి. ఏంటి ఇక్కడ? This is our file. ఇది ఎందుకు మాడిఫై అయింది వితౌట్ రెస్ట్? ఇదిగోండి, ఇది మెథడ్. This is our test.py file. Uncomment it. Get resource comment. Yeah. Now see this. Create resource. I'm calling the method. Your new MP is what it is? Dictionary. This dictionary key value pairs, whatever you are passing, this value should be inserted to the database. That part will be taken care by this method create method. But who is calling this method create method? Test.py is calling which method? Post method, not create method. We have to override use post method. Post method it is calling, not create method. Okay. Who is calling? I will show. So this test.py code already you have. Okay na? So don't try this one. It is there, but note sake I copy pasted. Oh, first we are override create method kada. Sorry. First to take this one. In the serializers.py, take this one. Any also let I'm removing just you have to override that method. Create method. Star means anta. Within the function, what is the double star? You can find out. Single star ki double star ki difference. Already I am explained so many times. Here also in our function I am using every time single star, double star. What is the meaning? That is the meaning here also. Double star meant for star means power star. Very good. Sir, once it is completed, I will copy paste the test.py, but don't write it. Same previous code only. For notes sake, I will give this create method. Okay. That here one major thing is if you want to do the post action, compulsory one thing is important. That is you have to disable CSRF token resource. We have to disable CSRF token compulsory. How to disable CSRF token? Three ways I explained. One is whatever three ways. That is in settings.py, but it is affected to total project. I don't want total project. Method level, class level, project level, three ways are there. Now I can implement at a class level. Okay, three ways are there. That is, observe carefully. Go to the views.py. So here, next method. What is the method? Def. Which method? Post method. First argument self. Second argument request. Third one single. Double star. KW args. This is the story. Now, how to disable the CSRF token class level means come to here class. In this, from Django dot where it is available, views dot decorators dot CSRF import CSRF exempt. Second one, from Django dot utils dot decorators import. What I want to import? Yeah, method decorator. Provide this class at the rate method decorator. Inside you have to give as a CSRF exempt, comma, name equal to I am given a word I am provided. What it is? Dispatch. Once I am given dispatch, this CSRF token is applicable for all the methods of the class. No, sir, I want to only post. Then you can give instead of dispatch, you can give post. Then it is applicable for only post method. So this is the two imports. Give it to the CSRF exempt name equal to dispatch. Come to the post method. First to receive the data from the partner application. Request dot body. Which type of data? It is a one JSON data. Once I'm taking the JSON data, story same, IO dot, what is the function bytes IO? Inside you can pass this JSON data as argument. It is converted to stream data. This one I want to pass to the JSON parser dot parse is the function. Inside you want to provide a stream. Then it is converted to one Python dictionary. So JSON to I converted to the Python dictionary. This Python dictionary I want to convert it to which one? Serialization. So we have to provide employee serializer equal to data equal to you can pass Python data. Now stored into variable, any variable you can go, I'm given as a serializer. Once it is available there, is it valid or invalid? If serializer dot is underscore valid. In the last class, at the time of deserialization, am I explained this one or not? First, we are importing JSON data, converted stream, Python dictionary. This Python dictionary converted to database supported form. So employee serializer, I'm passing Python data serializer. If it is valid, serializer dot validated data. Aite now, if it is valid, I have to use serializer dot. What is the method? Save method. In some wells we are using if form is valid, form dot save. Now this serializer dot save method is calling which method? In the serializers create method it is calling. Once I am saving, this method is calling that validated data I am passing, the data will be stored in. So who is calling this method means this person is calling that method. That's why you are overriding the create method. Now if it is saved, take one dictionary, message equal to curling brace, key value pairs, message colon resource created successfully. But it is a Python dictionary. This Python dictionary I want to convert to JSON data. How to convert? JSON renderer. What is the function? Render function. Now inside you can pass that message. It is the JSON data. Now this JSON data return to your HTTP response will be there. Serializer.save message converted JSON return. Sir, when line number coming to the line number 38, if it is not valid, but present I'm not doing any validation. In the forms validations are there, clean underscore employee number, clean underscore employee salary, clean methods are there. Present no validations. I have to write the validation the next level. Suppose salary less than 5,000. I don't want accepted. Then coming to the line number 38. Now here JSON.renderer, come to line number 38. Don't send a message. You have to send that serializer errors. Serializer dot errors. Form dot errors we are written as same. Now return this JSON data with the status code 400. Now done. This is the post method. Where here, comma. See the server position first of all before running. Now server is started. Go to the partner application. 3 records are there here in the test.py. First to check the records. 101, 102, 103. Now employee number 104. Employee name Radhika already available. Sunny I am given employee salary. I am not given any validations. 15,000. Next level I can give validation. Mumbai I can provide it. I am calling create resource. Go to here py test.py. Resource created successfully. Go to the backend database. 3 are there. Refresh. 4th record is added there. That is the vis.py code. So just to read the JSON data, convert Python dictionary, that to employee instance. If it is valid, save. This is save method is calling to this create method. Automatically the data will be inserted to the database. If something goes wrong, errors will be there. Then this part will be executed there. Next level, I have to write the validations also. Then line number 37, 38 will be executed. This is the way how to implement post method. Before that imports compulsory have to Adi, how to create the resource. So previously in our own framework, so many lines are there. Now some more lines are reduced. Next level, still I will reduce the number of lines. Just 2 lines only I will write. These many lines also not required. IO is the module. Bytes IO is the class. I'm creating object that class passing JSON data. In the starting I imported import IO ikkada somewhere else. IO is a one module. What is the use of REST API? Yeah, I will give last PDF. Tomorrow class is there? No, no. Why? Class is there tomorrow. Day after tomorrow holiday. Tomorrow class will be there, okay? Maximum 20 before I will finish, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 days are there. Within 7 days, is it completed or not completed? Yeah, Python dictionary to database related object it is converting. If it is valid, I can store it into the database. Deserialization. Ask first what I'm telling you. This you can practice it enough. Django or STP enough for you. Check చేసారా how to insert JavaScript data to MongoDB. What is the command? Load. పనిచేస్తుందా? Only load. Which version you are using? Working? DB no, only loads only function. Load only. ఎందుకు నా దానిలో అవ్వట్లా? ఎందుకని in my machine it is not working load command. Where you are executing in MongoDB shell only. నా దానిలో ఎర్రర్ వస్తుంది కదా. లోడ్ ల్యాప్టాప్ ఉందండి. ఇది ల్యాప్టాప్ తెచ్చావా? So two methods are completed. Get, post. For this post, create we are overriding. Next method completed. Sir, what is the meaning of put? Put meant for updation. Means I want to update the record. At the time of updating, I have two options. One is partial updation. Second one is full updation. And I want to change maybe employee salary or maybe employee address. That is partial updation. Total record number, name, all I can updating. That is called as full updation. So I have two options we have there. You have to override update method. In serializer class. Sir, if you want to update one record with primary key 1. For example, I have to update primary key first one, Radhika. I want to update this record. Here two things are required. One is existing record. Second one is the provided data by the third party application. Two are mandatory. Existing record how to get, I know. Employee.objects.getID equal to 1 stored in TMP. That is current instance. The updated data will be coming by this one. Test.py are getting it, provided data. So here two things are required to update record with provided data. So here existing instance and we have to provided data. Both must and should be required. How to take existing record, you know. Who is providing record? Test.py is the provided data. Then we have to change it. So go to the serializers.py file. In that you have to override update method. How create method is there? Same. So now you have to override this update method into serializer class. Instance means current class object. Which record you want to update? That one. Primary key 1. The first record is nothing but current instance. Completed now. Which record you want to update? That is called as existing instance. So go to the serializers. Here. Take the one more method. Def. What is the method? Update. And what they're asking, see the syntax also. Don't worry about see the syntax. What they're asking, first argument, self. Second one, instance. Third one, validated data. Instance means current one. I have 4 records. Which one you want to update? First, second, third, fourth. What is this validated data? Sent by partner application. So update function contain Three argument directly they are telling those we are using update. First argument self. Second one instance. Third one validated data. Now, for example, sir, here I'm telling I'm sending all the data or only suppose employee have the four fields number, name, salary, address. My third party application sending maybe four fields, three na, two na, one na. I don't know. Maybe one he can pass. He want to change Radhika salary instead of 12,000 to 18,000. So he is sending in the dictionary only one column only. He sal 20,000. But I want to insert total record means four values are required. That's why I want to go to the instance dot employee number equal to validated dot get command. Sir, what is the type of validated data? Type. It is a dictionary, Python dictionary. In the Python dictionary, I'm asking get command. Ante within your dictionary, if employee number is there, take the employee number. If employee number is not there, what number you can take? Instance number. Ante existing employee number you can take. That is the meaning. Because how many values passing test.py, I don't know. Test.py passing employee number. Consider that employee number stored into current instance. Sir, he is not sending. Okay, what is the current instance number? The present current instance Radhika number is 101 only will be considered. So like that, that is the meaning of current object employee number. I updated with provided data. Take all the four. Second, employee name. Third, employee salary. Fourth, employee address. So if you are passing that value, not passing existing values only, it will be considered. E cell kada? E cell. E address. Now, ekkada? Oho. E name, E salary, E address. Now, instance dot, what is the method? Save. Once it is saved, return that instance. This is the update method. So, whatever values you are passing from dictionary, I don't know. If you are passing values, that values will be coming to the instance. No existing object values. This is the method you have to override into serializer class. Hmm. What is the use of REST API? No use. But don't learn. That is your wish. Attend interview directly, only Django. Then you will get some clarity. Yeah, compulsory. Django, REST API, Python. These three are mandatory. MongoDB also mandatory. Nowadays, everyone asking MongoDB. MongoDB, REST API, they can ask. Not Mango, it's a Mongo. Sir, now in the views.py, you have to override that method, put method, go to the views. Def, put method, inside self, comma, request, comma, single star args, star star kw args. Now here, first you have to read the data, request dot body. Now JSON underscore data. JSON underscore data. Sir, once I'm taking JSON data, convert to Python dictionary. I converted to Python dictionary. At the update resource, I'm passing some key. That key I'm asking here. Your Python data contains any ID. Receive that ID. You have to take the ID. Now, stored into one variable. Now take this employee dot objects dot what is the command get. Inside I can pass ID equal to ID. Now I'm getting one instance. What is the instance? EMP. This EMP is nothing but your current instance. This instance can be updated with test.py file. I will update the message, update resource. Here I'm sending values. These values can be updated with this current instance EMP. Now, this one I have to convert it to employee serializer. Inside data equal to, I can pass as a Python data. And what is your instance, current instance? EMP. What is the meaning? This employee serializer converting whatever data you were provided Python data, this one updating with your existing instance. What is this data? This data is coming from partner application. I will send some data from the partner application. Now it is one serializer object got created. If it is valid, save. Otherwise, same process is going to. If it is the valid, save this. Otherwise, return the response. Now, go to your partner application, test.py. Now, without REST model, test.py code is there. Create resource, no, update resource. Take the code, copy, come to current file. You can comment it. Go to here, uncomment the update resource. Yeah. So now the resource is first resource. Radhika is the first record one. I am passing the first record. Okay. ID is available there. This JSON data I forwarded, this data. Request.body. I'm getting one Python dictionary. I converted to JSON data. JSON data convert dictionary. I'm getting the ID. First ID. The first employee I'm getting it. Whatever data provided by your data, existing data will be updated. So see the server. Now run the partner application 1 minute. Radhika salary 12,000 Hyderabad. I'm updating with 22,000 Chennai. Okay, fine. Go to here. Run the application. Now immediately we're getting something error. What is the error? Employee number, employee. You are passing salary and address only. But if you want to update method, compulsory 4 values are mandatory. Sir, I don't want change in name and number. I want to change only salary address only. But what to do? It is asking all the four. Sorry, Chonde. If I'm given all four, data will be updated successfully here. This is the employee number 333. Employee name. Employee name. Now save. If you run this, yes, definitely resource created successfully. Sorry, updated kada. Oh, resource updated successfully. Come to here, refresh. Yeah, 333, Radhika, 22,000, Chennai. But my requirement is only two columns only. What to do? I want to change only salary. Salary as a 25,000. Change address as a Hyderabad. What should I do? Patch. But already I'm implement put method. In put method only. But put method I'm telling you have two options. I'm telling I have two options: partial updation, full updation. I'm not talking about patch. If I'm talking patch, I will explain that one. In the put only I want to do, but I am given two options. Full updation is done. All four values I'm given changed. But I want to change only two, salary and address. That is possible. How it is possible means, who is saving your data in the views.py? The line number 46. Yes or no? That serializer, employee serializer, the total data will be updated with EMP, valid, saved. Here you can add one more attribute, partial equal to true. And then partial updations also accepted. Now this time, my partner application is sending only two columns, 25,000 Hyderabad first record. Go to the command prompt, run, resource updated successfully. Now this time check, only salary change, 25,000 Hyderabad. Only name I want to, yeah, remove all these. Only you can take e-name, colon, I'm given Mallika. Now come to here, resource updated, go to there, instead of Radhika, Mallika was changed. So you have to give partial equal to true, partial updation should be accepted. So that is put method. తీసావా For partial updation, we have to give partial equal to true. Sir, now finally delete one. So దీనికి update కి test.py not given. Yeah, you forget about this one. Next I implemented validations. Then you will get clarity when it will be executed. In the last class, I'm telling now here serializers. The purpose of serializers is three. One is serialization, deserialization, third one validation. Once I'm written validations, then if something goes wrong, this will be executed, it will return the response. That is next level I will tell. I can implemented validations. Suppose salary minimum 5,000. If I inserted record 3,000, 2,000, immediately it will raise an error. Then serializer's error will be displayed. So now for this update key, test.py code this is. Okay, don't write this one. This is the test.py code. Finally, last one is delete functionality. Finally, we have to go with delete method. Don't write the test.py, okay? Go to the views. Last method you have to override def delete inside self request comma single star arguments star star kw args inside requested dot body we are taking data. That data should be JSON data provided by my partner application. Once it is JSON data converted to Python dictionary, take the ID. All are common. Because I'm converting to stream that is given to JSON parser, Python dictionary. From there I'm getting ID. Take the employee. How to take employee? Employee dot objects dot get is the command, pass your ID. I'm getting one instance EMP. Once getting instance EMP dot delete, the data will be gone. Send the response to end user. Resource deleted successfully. Now go to the partner application. This is the delete, copy, come to our comment this. Now go to here. Delete the resource of fourth one. Now I'm passing fourth record Sunny. Now you can check this record deleted successfully. Go to here. Now Sunny will be gone. Only three are available. Delete one. Very simple one. Just ask the ID. Delete that ID. That is the delete. So that is how to implemented get, post, put, delete. If you want delete, write all. QS dot delete. All will be gone. That is also explained now. Simply how to write a simple logic. If ID is not none, take that ID, delete. Take another block, read all, delete all. But generally all records we don't want delete. We are recommending multiple lines the code. Select all the code. Use control plus forward slash. Then it will be commented. How many lines you can require? Select all the lines. Control with forward slash. It is commented all lines. Same if already commenting is there, select all the things. Again control forward slash. It should be uncommented. We are not deleting JSON data. We have to do the serialization. After that, we have to delete it. Employee objects only possible to delete. From the database, I'm deleting. From the database, what is available? Objects only, not JSON data. JSON data is common sending message format only. Instead of get, you can use all command. Now delete, all will be gone. But all I don't want delete, a particular record we want to delete. Now delete all records already explained also. Sir, for this test.py file. So now in the serializers, two parts are completed. One is serialization. Second one is deserialization process. Next, validations. How to do our validations? In the forms, validations are there. You did forms validations. Clean underscore esal, clean underscore ename. Now I want to provide salary if less than 5,000. I don't want insert. If the name is so, there are three levels are there validations. Tomorrow I will tell that validations. Validations by using the serializers. First one, field level. Field level validation. Same like that. In our Django also at the time of forms, clean underscore esal, clean underscore enumber, same. Second one, object level. Entire object I can performing. Third one, by using the validators. Then if something goes wrong, just now someone is asking what the use of this serializer errors. Once I'm doing validators, then you will getting clarity how it is working field level, object level, and by using the validators. Tomorrow, I will explain these validations by using the serializers. Okay, today I completed all the four. Get, post, put, delete, and tomorrow we will continue the session. Bye everyone.